When they play that clip and she finds out that you're a damn liar, you're going to lose her anyways. Fucking liar. You have no balls.
What did you call me? Huh?
I called you fake. I called you fake.
Let me tell you, listen.
I called you fake. You are not telling me nothing. I'm not listening to a word that you have to say. I called you fake because you are a fake person. Pere, you said that shit. You said it. You said it, and if it's not the last time, hit me. If it's not the last time, do your worst. If it is not the last time, do your worst. I am not lying, and you know for a fact that you said that shit. You said it, Pere. You said it. You said it. Sissy was there. You said it. He said it. He said it. Why is he lying? He said it. Why is it easy to put it on Doyin's head and call Doyin the instigator, call Doyin the liar? How can you stand there and they're calling me names and you know for a fact that...
This should be the fucking last time. Are you hearing me? The fucking last time.
Hit me. Hit me. Over something that you said?
No, hold on, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me. Listen. You were on the fucking table.
Sissy.
What was I fucking doing?
Sissy, please come out.
I've had this shit to hear.
Sissy,
what was I fucking doing? I kept defending these two. I said, there's nothing going on between them. Did I say that or not?
Sissy, no.
Did I fucking say that? Don't. I kept saying the same shit over again.
Call me a liar. Sissy, please come out. Sissy was there.
Pere, walk away, please.
Oh my God! Sissy, when you're not in that gathering,
the one thing I hate is bitches lying on my fucking head. You will never in your life.
Oh my God!
You are mad.
Sissy was the only third person in this conversation.
She just confirmed it.
The only person. No, she didn't. Oh my God!
Big brother Naija.